Today, I'm going to show you the real upgrades mechanics use to make an engine feel younger, smoother, stronger, even after 150,000 or 200,000 miles. And at the end, I'll give you the one bonus tip that shops almost never reveal because it solves a problem they usually get paid to fix. Let's start with something simple: leaks. Not the catastrophic ones, the annoying ones. Number 17. ATP AT205 reseal. Most leaks happen quietly, not because a part broke, but because the rubber seals inside your engine dry out and shrink. AT205 doesn't thicken oil or clog passages. It actually softens and reconditions old rubber so it can flex and seal again. Warm up the engine, shake the bottle, pour it in. For most cars, 8 ounces covers a standard oil system. Within a few hundred miles, those tiny drips begin to disappear. It's not magic, it's chemistry, the kind that made an old Camry I once owned stop marking the driveway for the first time in years. But what if the leak isn't just from a seal? What if it's from the gasket itself? Number 16. Blue Devil oil stop leak. 4 out of 5 oil leaks come from valve seals or pan gaskets. Blue Devil is designed specifically for those. It mixes seamlessly with your oil, doesn't thicken it, and slowly reconditions gaskets as you drive. Add 1 bottle with the engine warm, drive normally, and give it a couple hundred miles. It's safe, simple, and perfect for slow, steady leaks that creep up on you over time. But sometimes, leaks aren't just small. Sometimes they're the kind that make you think your engine is cooked. Number 15, Bars Leaks head gasket fix. If your head gasket is letting coolant into a cylinder, this is the only last resort product I trust. Liquid copper, sealing particles, engineered to plug the gaps a warped head creates. You add it cooled, let the engine heat up, and drive gently for about 15 minutes. It's not for healthy engines, it's not a miracle cure, but when you're staring down a 4-digit repair bill, it can be the difference between driving home and calling a tow truck. Stopping leaks is just step 1. Now we shift to something more important: friction. Number 14. Lucas Heavy Duty Oil Stabilizer. Oil gets thin under heat. When that happens, metal touches metal and wear skyrockets. Lucas Stabilizer thickens your oil's protective film and makes everything run smoother. Quieter lifters, stronger oil pressure. It can't rebuild worn parts, but it can buy you thousands of miles of extra life when you need it most. But if you want real smoothness, you go one level deeper. Number 13, Liqui-Moly MS2 Anti-Friction. Independent lab tests show molybdenum disulfide can cut friction by up to 50%. MS2 plates itself onto metal internals, creating a microscopic barrier that keeps parts sliding instead of grinding. Add 1 can to fresh oil and drive normally. Engines with high mileage, long highway cycles, or heavy loads benefit the most. You'll often hear the difference before you feel it. A quieter top end within 100 miles. But friction isn't always the main problem. Sometimes the engine is fighting itself because of carbon, varnish, and sludge. Take this next one seriously. It's one of the oldest and most trusted. Number 12, Marvel Mystery Oil. Sticky lifters, noisy valves, sluggish throttle. Marvel cuts through varnish and helps old engines breathe again. Add a pint to your oil or run some in your fuel for small engines. It dissolves buildup slowly, the safe way, without knocking chunks loose. If you've got a classic car, an older daily driver, or a small generator that's starting to complain, this stuff is a lifesaver. But cleaning inside the oil passages is only half the story. Modern engines need clean injectors just as much as clean oil. Number 11, Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. This one is famous for a reason. When your injectors spray unevenly, the engine loses power. A single bottle of Techron in a near-full tank dissolves carbon and restores clean spray patterns. Better throttle response, smoother idle, even a small bump in fuel economy if your system was really dirty. But if your engine has years of neglected buildup, you'll need something stronger. Number 10, BG44K. This is the heavy-duty mechanic-grade cleaner. Stronger detergents, deeper cleaning, and the stuff absolutely tears through baked carbon. Add it to a near-full tank, drive normally, and expect noticeable improvements in response and idle quality by the end of the tank. This is the one performance shops keep in the back, not the cheap shelf. Now, here's a different kind of product, one most mechanics swear by. Number 9, seafoam water treatment. Seafoam works in both oil and fuel. Add it to the gas tank for injectors and intake parts. Add it to the crankcase to slowly dissolve sludge. It's gentle, safe, and one of the few additives trusted by both old-school mechanics and modern techs. Engines run smoother, idle cleaner, and stay healthier when seafoam is used regularly. So we've tackled oil, we've tackled fuel. Now we attack the most expensive component most people pray never breaks, the transmission. Number 8, Lucas Transmission Fix. If your automatic slips, chatters, or hesitates, this thick formula helps restore pressure, swell worn seals, and smooth engagement. Add it warm, let it circulate, and take a short drive. It's not for CVTs or dual-clutch gearboxes, but for old-school automatics, it's absolutely worth trying before panicking. Number 7, Lubiguard Transmission Fluid Protectant. Heat is the #1 killer of transmissions. Lubiguard reduces that heat. It strengthens ATF under load, protects clutch packs, and lowers temperature. It blends directly with your fluid and works in most automatics. If you tow, haul, or drive in hot climates, this is cheap insurance. Now let's move to cooling, the system that keeps your engine alive, but is usually ignored. Number 6, Bars Leak's High Mileage Cooling System Repair. Perfect for older engines that seep coolant from small cracks or aged gaskets. Pour it into a cold radiator, top off the coolant, warm it up, and drive. Small leaks often disappear in the first tank of coolant flow. Number 5, Royal Purple Purple Ice. Engines regularly run hotter than the gauge shows. Purple Ice lowers coolant temps by improving heat transfer, especially under load or summer heat. If you tow, climb hills, or live in a hot region, this keeps your temps steady. Number 4, Redline Water Wetter. A favorite in racing. It reduces localized hotspots that can warp heads and crack blocks. Add it cold, top off coolant, and drive. Within minutes, the temperature gauge becomes more stable, especially during long drives or stop-and-go city heat. Now, diesel owners, your turn. Number 3, Stanodyne Performance Formula. Approved by major diesel manufacturers, it cleans injectors, improves ignition, and cuts smoke. One bottle treats a full tank, boosts throttle response, and makes cold starts easier. But diesel issues aren't always dirty injectors. Sometimes they're sticky. Number 2, Hotshot Secret Stiction Eliminator. Stiction, waxy deposits, cause rough idle and poor spray patterns. This additive dissolves those deposits, restores injector movement, and improves power. It also frees up sticky turbo vanes and high-pressure pump components. And if you drive a modern diesel, this last one is the gold standard. Number 1, Arch Oil RE9100. This friction reducer bonds to metal under extreme pressure. It protects injectors, quiets the engine, reduces wear, and improves cold starts. One treatment can noticeably smooth out a rough diesel in a single tank. So what's the big takeaway? Additives can't replace good maintenance, but used at the right time and with the right expectations, they can rescue engines, extend life, restore power, prevent breakdowns, and keep your car running like it did years ago. And here's the bonus mechanic secret I promised you. Most engine wear happens in the first 60 seconds after startup, before oil reaches every part. If you want your engine to last longer than the car around it, wait just 10 to 20 seconds before driving. That tiny habit saves more wear than any additive on this entire list.